Welcome to the product design series. In this video, I'll be talking about some of the top design trends that I'm seeing right now. Alright, so let's begin.
The design theme for 2020 seems to be fun, experimental, and playful. One of the top trends this year so far has been the use of subtle animation. It helps you to bring the movement to your design with animation. I'm noticing that many websites and products are starting to implement subtle animation to elevate their design. This range from subtle icon animation to larger illustrated scenes to the way the page loads. I would say subtle and gentle animation definitely adds interest and movement for the eye to follow. The style is smooth and crisp and definitely a refreshing take on overall user experience. This trend is definitely here to stay for a long time. The next trend, which is pretty big at this moment, is Neomorphic UI. Neomorphic UI essentially is soft UI. It uses a certain kind of visual style that combines background color, shapes, gradients, highlights and shadows in such a way to ensure that the UI looks very soft, kind of plastic look and almost close to 3D styling. This year, expect to see luxury brands, boutiques adopting this style for sure for their digital experience. And I wouldn't be really surprised if other e-commerce companies also start adopting this trend as well. The next trend, which is also quite popular and pretty big at this moment, is use of large, colorful, and of course contextual images to create a connection and tell a visual story to the end user. Definitely, this is pretty big at this moment, and I feel it is here to stay for a pretty long time. The next trend would be bold fonts or typography. I would say strong typography is surely a great way to make a bold statement. This trend is all about having strong text elements as the focal point of the design. Like the other trend around subtle animation that I talked about, this also has the power to guide the user contextually and guide their eye movement and create a different kind of user experience altogether. So definitely this year we will continue to see a lot of interesting forms of typography. So yeah. And this video would not be complete if I don't talk about dark themes and bold colors. First of this year, we saw a significant number of brands and products adopting bold colors and themes to give a futuristic look and feel to their product and websites. I feel second half of this year also will continue to see more and more companies experimenting with dark themes and bold colors. So before I wrap up the video, let me just do a quick recap. I feel this year is going to be all about subtle animation, neomorphic design, bold colors, fonts, and large, colorful images. Expect to see more use of these elements in the design in the second half of the year as well. And I would definitely say that staying in sync with this design trend will definitely help you to strategically prioritize the digital experience around your product and services to create a delightful experience to the end user while they perform their code.
So these are some of the trends that I'm seeing right now in terms of product design. And if you are a product person, that is, product manager, marketer, UX designer, visual designer, you should definitely be paying attention to these trends. And if you are in a position to update your product website or product experience, definitely, incorporate some of these, things that I talked about to give a refreshing and a new look and feel to the product or the website, right? So do let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions, comments. I'll definitely get back. And yeah, with that I conclude this video, and I shall definitely see you on my next video.